Hi and welcome to a quick FortiWeb overview. In this session, we'll review rewriting polyfill URLs with FortiWeb. You may have heard about the recent Polyfill.io supply chain attack. Over 100,000 website owners using Polyfill.io can protect their users by utilizing the URL rewriting feature to replace polyfill URLs. With URL rewriting condition detects unwanted URL in the HTTP content. And the FortiWeb can mitigate this attack by deploying URL rewriting policy to replace the detected URL. Log into your FortiWeb GUI and go to Application Delivery, URL Rewriting. Then select the URL Rewriting Rule tab. Click Create New, enter the desired name, select Response Action for action type, choose Rewrite HTTP Body for response action, and then click OK. In the Edit URL Rewriting Modal window, click Create New to define rewrite conditions. Set Object to HTTP Body, input cdn.polyfill.io for regular expression, select text/HTML for content type, choose Object matches the regular expression, protocol filter, and content type filter under Meet this condition if, and then click OK to close the modal window. Under Replacement Strings in Body, specify replacement strings that correspond to the host where the polyfill.mint.javascript library is located, assets.gum.co.uk/polyfill.io. We also recommend considering alternative services from a trusted third party, such as https://assets.gum.co.uk polyfill, iov3/polyfill.min.js. Navigate to the URL Rewriting Policy tab and click Create New. Under Name, enter the same name used in the rewriting rule from previous examples. Go to Web Protection Profile. Click Create New to set up an inline protection profile. Under URL Rewriting, choose the URL Rewrite policy you configured earlier. Go to Policy, Server Policy, and click Create New to configure a server policy. Under Security Configuration, Web Protection Profile, select the profile you set up in the previous step. Confirm and verify that the relevant content in the HTTP response body has been replaced as intended using the before, after, and debug info details. Thanks for watching our FortiWeb Polyfill rewriting request video.